Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here at the Point Cabrillo State Park and I'm going towards the Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. You have to take a walk from way up there to go down to the Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. There's only, I think, probably handicap vehicles allowed to go all the way down there. Otherwise you have to park up there and then go down to the lighthouse. It's about half a mile walk downhill, so an easy walk going downhill, but definitely it's gonna be a little bit of effort coming back up. And restrooms are located right up in the parking lot, and there's a 2-vehicle charging spot, and if you can bring your own electric charger you can probably plug in over there, the mobile chargers, but otherwise there's 2 spots for the electric vehicle, which is nice if you're driving an electric vehicle, so you can get your car charged while you're exploring the lighthouse down there. Okay, so this lighthouse is about 15-minute drive from Fort Bragg on the Highway 1. You drive south on Highway 1 from Fort Bragg towards Mendocino, and you will see this on the right side of the highway towards the ocean. So we are almost close to the light station, the lighthouse, and there is a vacation rental parking here, so there must be rooms available for rental behind these trees. From the view when you're walking towards the lighthouse. It's a very nice sunny day out here today. And that's the lighthouse in a little bit distant view here. And these are the rooms here available for rental, vacation rental. Nice rooms here. There's a lightkeeper's museum, and the restrooms are available behind this house. People are having fun at the picnic table. Hi. Nice vacation rental homes. So I was just talking to the lifeguard here. There's a white boat down there, and they're saying that we can probably see some whales out there. So by the time we reach there, hopefully the whales are still there. And that's the boat the lifeguard officer was talking about. And that's the lighthouse right there, Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. So the trail all the way up here to the vacation rental homes, it's paved for vehicles, and from here there's a little bit dirt trail here, and then small sidewalk which you can walk on towards the lighthouse. So there's a small marine science exhibit here. close to the lighthouse. And that's the lighthouse. The lighthouse. One of the active lighthouse here. There's a whale watching tour going on right there, and that's the whale. Guys, here at the Point Cabrillo Lighthouse.
You see the boat? Come over here. Yeah, it's over there. You see the dock where the boat is? The white boat? Now it's so good for us. There's lots of water. There we go.
Looks like the whale went away. There's a whale right there.
Oh, I saw it. Oh, it's getting closer to the boat now. Oh, there's two. Wow, they're blowing a lot. Oh, I saw the back. I saw the back.
Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. There's a whale watching tour going on right here in front of the whale watching boats right there. So we are at the Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. This is the view from the sea. I don't know if you can see, there's light up there. So if you are in the Fort Bragg area, this is a must watch. Let's try to go into the lighthouse and explore the lighthouse from inside as well. It's Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. We're entering the lighthouse here. just had a brief inside visit at the lighthouse. Unfortunately, there's no tour. You cannot go up there to see the lighthouse in action because it's still maintained by US Coast Guard. It's still owned by them, and so there's only tour available on every first weekend of the month. Otherwise, there's a small gift shop and some historical artifacts out there which you can read and learn more about the history of this lighthouse. So this lighthouse is almost 100 years old, and the light actually up there, those lenses are called Fresnel lenses, which are normally obtained by from the manufacturers in France, but this is the one of the lens. This is the only one of the lens which is, I believe, manufactured by Chance Brothers out of Birmingham, England. Otherwise, most of the Fresnel lenses which are in use still in here in US are obtained from manufacturers back in France. So I hope you liked my video and you're enjoying the content. So please subscribe to my channel for more future and interesting content like this. And if you would like to see me creating more of this content or something else you want me to go and explore, give me a holler in the comments so that I can see what my audience likes and create more content like that. Thanks guys, and keep appreciating. Thank you. Bye.